y'all, welcome back to my channel, Crafts Unleashed by Robin. I'm Robin, and today I'll be showing you a simple Dollar Tree DIY that I'm making for a very, very dear friend's birthday. It's going to be using mainly Dollar Tree products, and probably, you know, a couple things all y'all may not be into. That's fine. Don't leave me any hateful comments, you know, none of that stuff. You'll see what I mean when we get into it. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment. Please keep them polite and nice. Remember what Mama said. If you can't say anything nice, don't say anything at all. Okay, y'all. Let's get into this DIY. Okay, so the first thing I did, I used one of these new Dollar Tree house plaques. Okay, so to save time, since I still haven't quite figured out this whole editing thing, I'm just going to kind of show you what I used, and yeah. So anyway, you're going to need one of those. You're also going to need paint of your choice. I chose the Waverly Ocean. My friend's favorite color is blue. So I painted the house, the front of the house, in that color. You're also going to need Waverly Antique Wax, or, you know, some paint color. Again, this is totally customizable. This is just for inspiration. But I did use the antique wax for the roof line and for each side. Alright, and I did use a baby wipe to apply that. You know, it's real easy. Wax on, wax off. Which reminds me, anybody remember what movie that phrase is from? Wax on, wax off. Great 80s movie. Comment down below if you know what movie that line is from. Alright, I'm also going to be using one of these medium-sized wood rounds from Arteza. They have great products. I love these wood rounds. There's so many different things you can do with them. So I'm going to be hot gluing this right up here to the top of the house. Alright, so using my Sure Bonder glue gun, and I really like this thing. It took me a minute. It took me a hot minute to get used to it. And I'm just going to glob on the hot glue. I mean, glob it. Alright. There we go. And by the way, I love my Gorilla hot glue sticks. I'm a Gorilla girl. So, we're going to let this set up. And then I also have some wood letters that I purchased from Joann's a while back. They were on sale. Actually, they were on clearance. I got a really good deal. They were like 3 of each letter in a really nice wood box. I also stained these using the Waverly Antique Wax. And this happens to be my friend's initials. So I chose the N and the B. And I'm simply going to hot glue those to my wood round. Get them placed like I want them. Little bit of glue, if I can get a little bit. I swear this glue gun hates me for some reason. Come on, there you go. Just a little bit here and there. Oh, come on. Come out, wherever you are. Okay. That should do it. Alright, so. And again, guys, this is just for inspiration. This is what I'm making him for his birthday. Remove any extra glue. I love these little silicone utensils that you get from the Dollar Tree. These are fabulous for saving your fingers from the evil hot glue gun. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other letter. Just some hot glue on the back. Whoop. See what I mean? It like, there's no rhyme or reason. I don't know. Maybe it's user error. It probably is. So just a dab. Keep it in there. But I'm telling y'all, I've used Gorilla products forever, and I never ever have a problem with anything sticking. Ah! I don't want it like that. What'd I do? You know what? Actually, see, it's already getting stuck already. Oh, the joys of crafting. Come on now. Act right. Act right. Okay. That's okay. We all make mistakes. That was mine. I dropped it, okay? Alright, so we're going to try this again. Get the glue off. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Take 2. Dab. Dab. Alright, now, take 2. Okay. Get on there. Get yourself on there. There we go. Okay. Alright, I'm going to try to remove some of the excess glue. There. So that's on there. Now, like I said, this is the part some of y'all, you know, you may not like it. If you don't, that's fine. This is for inspiration. You can totally make it your own. Decorate it however you want. I just thought he would get a big kick out of this, and trust me, I know he will. So, as you can see, I've taken some wire that I got from the Dollar Tree in the hardware section, and all I did was cut off a section and doubled it and made a loop in one end, and then shoved the other end through the loop, glued it down to the house, which, as you can see, I kind of got hot glue everywhere. Now, in these little bottles, just let me tell y'all, this is not sweet tea, okay? It's not sweet tea. It's his favorite adult beverage. These are the little airplane bottles. And again, if this is not your thing, you can totally use, and this would be so cute, you could use these little glass jars that you get from the Dollar Tree. You could put florals in there. And I think that would be really, really, really cute. Okay, you can decorate this however you want. This is just for inspiration, giving ideas. And I just wanted to share with y'all what I was doing for my friend's birthday, okay? So, you know, be kind. He's an adult over 21. Anyway. So, I made that loop so I could slip my bottle in there. Just like that. Oh, my camera. Just like that. Alright. And I'm going to repeat. Whoop, a little loose. We'll fix that later. And I'm going to repeat this on the other side. Now on the back, where the wire is, I don't pull it tight because I want to be able to get the bottle out. I do just kind of double that end over just a bit. Okay. And that is what is going to hopefully hold my bottle onto the house. And I'm just kind of jokingly calling this the house that Uncle Jim built. Okay, so here we go with some more hot glue. Let me turn this. Let me set this down. Y'all bear with me, because it's been one of those days already. Y'all just bear with me. I hope everybody is having a great Monday. I'm off on Mondays, as I said yesterday. I'm a self-employed dog groomer. and therefore I get to set my days off. So anyway, that's probably too much glue, but you know, rather too much than not enough, okay? So we're just going to work with it. Now I'm trying to be careful and not get the bottle in the hot glue, because these little, you know, airplane size bottles, whatever you want to call them, they are plastic. And we all, you know, I don't want this stuff going everywhere. So I'm just going to hold that down with my spatula, let it dry somewhat. Okay, there's that. And we've got some hot glue on the side here. I'll go back, clean that up. Clean that up. Now, so this is where we are so far. If you can see this. Me and this camera are going to fight, y'all. I swear. So this is where we're at so far. Ah! Get back there. Get back there. Okay. Now for the back, all I did, and I did this already to save time. I just took 2 of the little wood cubes that you get in the package from Crafter Square at Dollar Tree, glued 2 of them together, baby wipe, antique Waverly wax, wax on, wax off, and glued 2 of those together and to make the house where it would actually stand up. So this is really simple. Like I said, this may not be everybody's cup of tea. If not, that's fine. We are all different, y'all. That's what makes the world a great place. We're all different. So, if you got some kind of inspiration from this, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing, as I am going to be uploading more DIY videos, hopefully this week. At any rate, thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see y'all in the next one. Bye.